guys, this is your irrigation engineer Arvin S. Medio from Bicol Region. So we are going to discuss right now the Rainbird irrigation system. So the typical PVC pipe system from our residential or other commercial buildings. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba yung mga ginagamit natin sa irrigation system, automatic irrigation system. So napag-usapan natin before na ang automatic precision irrigation systems ay doon natin pinoprogram kung ilan yung amount ng water, ilan kung kailan, at gaano kadalas yung pag-a-apply ng tubig natin or yung irrigation. So basically, yung definition ng ating irrigation is defined as the artificial application of water to the plants para ma-deliver natin yung water needs or water demand ng ating mga tanim. So basically, yung ating system is meron tayong mga natawag na controller. So pag sinabi natin controller, ito yung ating brain ng system. So ibig sabihin, kung may brain tayo, siya yung nagpapatakbo ng ating buong system. From what I said a while ago, the irrigation controller, doon natin siya isi-set yung proper timing, the how long will it take, and how frequent will the system will operate. So irrigation controller, yung natawag natin yung brain ng ating system. So basically, nakaset up sa ating house or sa mga bodega or sa pump room natin. And then meron naman tayong tinatawag na heart of the system. Yung heart of the system naman natin is yung pumps natin. Sila yung nagdi-deliver ng pressure, water volume ng ating system para ma-deliver natin yung required amount of water sa specific land of area or landscape area. So after nun, connect natin siya, meron tayong wire, which is what we call as communication cable. Irrigation communication cable can be direct burial wire or yung typical wire na ginagamit natin. So after nun, connecting from the controller papunta dito sa ating solenoid valve. The solenoid valve naman is responsible to cut off or open the valves, the water lines from the main line. Siya naman yung responsible para buksan yung ating zone or ating mga sprinklers. Without this solenoid valve, we can't say, or hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na ito ay automatic na. Kasi yung solenoid valve, siya yung para siyang, isipin natin, para siyang gripo wherein naka-cut off yung water line para hindi gumana yung sprinklers natin. Imagine kung open line siya, wala siyang solenoid valve, continuous yung running ng ating system, ng ating mga sprinklers. So kaya meron tayong solenoid valve, connected siya sa ating controller. So si controller naman ang magbibigay ng signals ng ating mga solenoid valves to open their respective area of responsibilities. So meron tayong yung POC natin or point of connection, dyan natin ikakabit yung ating main line. And then meron tayong ito number 3, nakita nyo number 3, ito yung ating master shut-off valve. Si master shut-off valve naman is responsible to cut off all the system regardless na kakaroon ng system operation. Once may mga problems at different zones, different area ng ating target areas, i-shut down niya yung operation ng system regardless na nagkakaroon ng operation si controller. So yan. Then after that, Yun. Ganun lang naman kasimple, and right after ng ating shut-off valve or yung ating solenoid valve, dyan na natin i-connect yung ating lateral. Yung lateral naman is connecting ating mga irrigation provisions or irrigation equipment like sprinklers, drip lines, and other like sprint misters sa mga greenhouses natin. So yun, I believe that's the simple discussion for our precision irrigation system. Thank you and God bless.